Hi, thank you so much for watching my channel. Today we are going to be talking about mixed root vegetable fries, and this is made by Strong Roots. And so they sent me a coupon to try out their product, and they wanted me to give them an honest review. So I've never tried this before. I'm excited to try it. You find it in the frozen aisle. I got mine at Walmart, but I'm sure you can find it at Publix or other grocers. So basically what's inside of this packet, it is carrots, parsnip, red beetroots, sunflower oil, some flour, potato starch, and a few other salt and things like that for flavors. So I'm excited to try what this product's all about. So I've never had roasted beetroot, I guess. So I'm curious to see what it's like. There is 5 servings in a bag, 130 calories per serving. So even if you eat all of these, it's still not tons and tons and tons of calories, I guess. That seems like a lot, 5 servings. Pretty big bag. This is a 15 ounce or 425 gram bag. I'm starving. It looks delicious. Zero trans. Gluten-free, so if you do have those issues, non-GMO. So I will be putting them in the oven. So it says to preheat your oven, place a thin layer, a single layer, I guess, so you don't want to pile them on top. Turn once during cooking, and you're going to preheat to 400 degrees, and it takes about 20 to 25 minutes. So I am going to throw these in the pan. I should have had my scissors pre-ready for cutting. Let's put some in here. As I said, I'm hungry, so I don't know how many servings this is. Maybe 2, which would still only be 260 calories. Just so you can kind of see the before. I'm going to put that in the oven and come back in about 20 to 25 minutes, and we will see what it tastes like. Hi, welcome back. It's been about 20 minutes. I had it in the oven cooking. It is now done, and I am going to try something. So the first one I am trying is the beets. That is actually really good. It tastes just like a beet, but it's got crispiness on the outside and then the soft, sweet center on the inside. So if you like beets, very delicious and very healthy. Okay, so the next one I'm trying is a parsnip. I love parsnips. Very hot, I almost burnt my tongue. Tastes just as good as if I bought fresh ones and made it myself. Very good. And then the last one we are gonna try, I think this is the carrot. I think it's a carrot. I don't remember what I said the last one was. I'm not sure I'm as excited about that one as the other 2. It's not awful. I just can't figure out what it is. Let me go grab the bag. Okay, I'm back. It is carrots. I don't know why it didn't quite taste like a regular carrot to me. Let's try it again. Okay, I guess I could make it out to be a carrot. It's not quite as sweet as I would have expected, I guess, for a carrot. A little less flavor than the other 2, but I could still eat them. So go ahead, buy a bag, eat your vegetables, and they can taste good. Carrot again. So, Strong Roots, mixed vegetables, easy, easy, easy. Just stick it in your oven. And I guess if you have one of those, what are they? I can't even talk. Those Realz, new wave type ovens. I don't know. Air fryers. There's the word. If you have an air fryer, you might be able to stick that in there and make it a little quicker or easier. But you can just stick it in your regular oven. That's what I did. I don't have an air fryer. But thanks so much for watching. If you go try these, let me know what you think. Let me know which one of those is your favorite flavor. Mine definitely was the parsnip and the beetroot. Those two were super delicious. If they make a bag with just parsnip and beetroot together, no carrots, I'd be buying that over this. But I don't mind the carrots either. So thanks again, and hit the subscribe button.